Crispy edges, fluffy center. This French toast might ruin all others for you. Today we're making brioche French toast. Let's start with the egg custard. This is a really simple custard, just mixing eggs with some milk and spices. For this one, I'm using 4 large eggs along with cinnamon, maple syrup, and a little vanilla. Use a whisk to break up the eggs and whisk all the ingredients together. Then add the milk. You'll need about 3/4 of a cup to go with 4 eggs. Whisk it until the mixture is well blended, and then pour it into a shallow pan. I like to use a baking sheet. It's easier to dip the bread. You'll want to use stale or day-old brioche because this bread is so soft it soaks up liquid like a chamois. So just dip it briefly and then heat your griddle. I like to use a flat top griddle with just a little bit of butter on top. And then we let it cook for 3 or 4 minutes just until it's golden on one side, and give it a flip. Doesn't that look good? And make sure it's cooked on the other side before removing it. And you can eat immediately or keep it warm in a low oven. You can see how much thicker brioche bread is than standard white bread, and it's so light and fluffy, it makes the best French toast. I add a little more butter and maple syrup, but you can also do it with powdered sugar or fresh fruit, berries, even an apple compote. This is a wonderful breakfast or brunch, and it's perfect for special occasions, weekends, and holidays. What's your favorite French toast? Thanks for watching. If you like this, you'll love my next cozy breakfast recipe, so stick around for that one.